Welcome to this overview of the new features available in the Fiery Pro Server and Fiery XF version 7.2 upgrade. In this express video, you will learn about all of the new features that the version 7.2 upgrade brings to your Fiery system. You will learn about the new Fiery ink saving option. The successful development of this solution allows you to optimize the ink usage on your wide or super wide printers while achieving the optimal image quality required for your jobs. You will also learn about the expansion of the Fiery Edge profiling technology availability to new printers, the expansion of support for print industry standards, the expansion of measurement device support, expanded printer support as well as updated drivers, as well as expanded cutter support. Let's start by exploring the new Fiery ink saving option. The Fiery ink saving option is a chargeable option available for use with both Fiery Pro Server and Fiery XF that was designed to allow you to reduce your ink consumption while maintaining the optimal image quality that you and your customers demand. This option will be available for use with both EFI and non-EFI wide and super wide Fiery-driven printers. Direct your web browser to fiery.efi.com/fieryxf/supported-printers to see a full list of the printers that can take advantage of the new Fiery ink saving option. Although the amount of ink savings will vary depending upon the job characteristics and printing conditions, you will be able to realize ink savings of up to 40%, along with no reduction in highlight or shadow detail, no loss of saturation or vividness, no hue shift in color of your printed jobs, no loss of contrast or dynamic range, no introduction of gradation artifacts, no unnatural looking skin tones, and no introduction of graininess into your image. The use of the Fiery ink saving option requires the Fiery ink saving option and the Fiery XF Color Profiler option licenses to be activated on your Fiery server, and also that you have Fiery Color Profiler Suite version 5.3.1.12 or higher installed. Complete details on the Fiery ink saving option, as well as complete details on how to use the option, will be found by viewing the Using the EFI Fiery ink saving option express video located at learning.efi.com. Fiery Edge is EFI's next generation color profiling technology. Create a Fiery Edge ICC media profile and you will find that you will be able to make use of more of your printer's available gamut to print jobs that will have an increased saturation and visual pop. Fiery Edge technology will now be available for use with any Fiery-driven printer, either cutsheet or inkjet, except for non-EFI wide and super wide printers that utilize an RGB Contone driver. Navigate to fiery.efi.com/supported-devices for a list of all Fiery supported printers and the type of driver that is available for selection. Fiery Color Profiler option 5.3.1.12 or higher is required for custom Fiery Edge profile creation. To learn more about the Fiery Edge technology, point your web browser to the location shown here and watch the overview video that will explain all of the benefits of using Fiery Edge. Complete details on how to use the Fiery Edge profiling technology will be found in the free Color 342 Fiery Edge Profiling Technology e-learning course available at learning.efi.com. Support for new print industry standards will also be found in the 7.2 upgrade. Fiery Pro Server and Fiery XF 7.2 includes the new Adobe APPE5 PDF print engine, providing support for processing of version 5.x PDF files. Also included is full support for the FOGRA PSD 2018 Media Relative, Side-by-Side, and Spot Colors standards. You will be able to utilize the newest measurement devices after upgrading to version 7.2. Within Fiery Verify, Server Manager, Job Editor, Color Tools, and Color Editor, you will find support for the EFI ES3000, our new device that allows you to measure in M1 and M2 mode in a single pass, the X-Rite i1 Pro 3 and the Pro 3 Plus, the X-Rite i1 IO3, and the Konica Minolta KM Miro 1. As always, a number of new printer drivers have been added to the Fiery XF 7.2 upgrade. These drivers support new printers from EFI, Canon, Fuji, HP, Roland DG, Screen, and Swiss Qprint. We have also expanded the drivers by adding support for clear ink to the ViewTek H3 and H5 and to the H3 and H5 X4. And for the Pro 30F, we have renamed the ProGraphics UV SureBond ink type to ProGraphics UV XA. Cutter support is also expanded in version 7.2. In version 7.2, we have added support for the Suma F series of cutters using Suma's Go Produce along with the Fiery Cut Marks option, and with new cutters from Zund, also supported through the Cut Marks option. Finally, let's review a bit of technical information related to the new 7.2 version of Fiery Pro Server and Fiery XF. In order to have a full Fiery Pro Server or Fiery XF7 system, along with all of the new features and capabilities, you will need to have installed Fiery XF version 7.2 Server, Fiery Command Workstation version 6.5.0.433 or higher, and Fiery Color Profiler Suite version 5.3.1.12 or higher. No matter which version of Fiery XF you currently have, you will find that the procedure that you need to follow when upgrading to version 7.2 is very straightforward. There is no longer the need to install and license each of the releases between your current version of Fiery XF and version 7.2. Begin by installing the Fiery XF 7.2 server by using either the installer downloaded from EFI.com or that you obtained from your dealer. Next, if you are upgrading from Fiery XF Server version 7.0 or 7.1, in the License Manager, after installing the upgrade, you will see an Upgrade button located next to your existing license. Click on this button and use your supplied LAC code to activate version 7.2. Note that this upgrade button will only appear if the License Manager detects a 7.0 or 7.1 license on your computer. If you are upgrading from Fiery XF Server version 4.x through 6.x, click on the Migrate button and, when prompted, plug in your dongle and enter your LAC code. Finally, if you are installing Fiery XF 7.2 for the first time, click on the Activate button and use your supplied LAC code to activate your Fiery XF 7.2 server. This completes the overview of the new Fiery Pro Server and Fiery XF version 7.2. Thank you for your time.